Sorry, I'm having a little network challenge here. That's why it's going off and coming on. Like I was saying before, I was talking about Commissioner of Police of the Abia State, CP, who boldly came out on channel television yesterday or thereabout to threaten all the Biafrans, saying that on the last day of this month, which all the Biafrans are supposed to pay respect to their heroes, those who fought for them, that anyone that attempts to do anything on that day, that they are going to take that person as a tourist of this of Nigeria. Now, my message goes to him, sir. Sir, with due respect, Abia State is Biafran land, and I strongly believe that you are also a Biafran. It's not because of they have given you this small power, police. They have given you a position in office in a Nigerian zoo, a Nigerian government. You think that you can use it and oppress your own people. It's unfair. You were witness to most of the things that have been happening, or you are already witness to all the whole things that have been happening to Nigeria, both in Igbo land, both in everywhere. How people are dying, how Fulani herdsmen and thereabout Boko Haram are killing people. Now this is your own land that your people want to mourn. They want to give a respect for us because they fought for us. You just came out boldly to come and to announce it on the television, saying all manner of things because of that small power where they carry give you, that power where Buhari give you. Abi, let me tell you, sir. Make sure say that day, on that 30th of this month, just few days to come. Make sure say you go build cell where go contain all the whole Biafrans. Because everybody is marching forward. Everybody is marching forward on that very day. And everybody is going to give that respect to our past heroes. So make sure that you have already built the whole cell that will contain everybody, including you. I don't know why you think that you are privileged to be in a position. Then you can use it and oppress. You are not even oppressing you are not even oppressing your own people, you are even oppressing yourself too. Because as long as you are a Biafran, there's no how you can move forward. Do you think that it's by that small salary they are paying you, you think that it can have solved all your problems? What of your generations to come when you have gone? So how long are we going to continue being on this Nigerian zoo that they are killing our people? They have shut down which airport they have shut down? I think that should be Enugu Airport. They have shut it, the international airport. And other things they have done. This Buhari government have done. This boo-boo government have done. My dear brother, it's better you keep your mouth shut and allow, just watch it like the Z word. Watch it like Z word. No matter the amount of money they are going to give you, just respect yourself and they watch others like Z word. Because when Biafra will come, do not be surprised, because anyhow you see yourself, don't blame us. Because now we are fighting for this thing. Now if this thing finally come now, don't think that you are a Biafra, no, because you are fighting us. You are fighting your own people now. That time now we will have power, and then we will fight you back. And that is when you begin to tell the whole world that you are a Biafran. And now you make me, they happen. Just humble yourself and respect yourself. Or do you just want to make yourself popular so that everybody will know that you are the CP of Abia State? Please, we do respect, sir. We do respect. We are not a terrorist. We don't have guns. We don't even kill. Even ants, we don't kill. Anything we are doing it peacefully. We are doing it peacefully to make sure that this thing really come forth. So we are not killing any. We are not Boko Haram. We are not Fulani herdsmen. We are not this and that. How many in history have you seen where Biafrans have killed people? So why are you telling us that anybody you catch that day, anybody that does anyhow, that you take that person as a terrorist? What? A terrorist what? Make sure that you have built a big cell, a very big cell, that day that will accommodate everybody. Everybody. Make sure that your cell is bigger than Abia State, because all of us, including me, we are going to enter inside that cell, including you too. Nonsense. Because of when you earn small money, on a position, a monthly salary plus all the whole nonsense. Corner money when I just did the corner for Nigeria, and but in fact itself, when we go deep into this issue now, we find out that even your own children, that they are not in Nigeria, they are outside country. They last in Belgium, they are eating our money in our office again, because they are carrying you around with a police van with escort on you everywhere. I think that is their right. They can come and be talking nonsense on channel television. One day, take your time, please. And those that is watching me, please, you people should help me and share this video. Let it go all out, let it go viral, so that this message will reach to him. This message will reach to him, so that he will know that what he really did yesterday or thereabout is not right. Whether Buhari push and make it go talk him, or how much they give and make it come talk him, say make it. Things say go feel put fear for our body. We know the fear. It is too small. If you command all those escorts where they flow you, they go from your office to your house. Okay, now why they carry escorts? If you are not afraid, why are you carrying escort from office to your house, from your house to your office? Why can't you just go as an ordinary person or neutral person on the road? You will see how Fulani herdsmen will cut off your head, or even the Boko Haram, they will bomb you. You were a dead man. You will not come here and be making nonsense noise. I beg, please help me and share this video. Because the thing that vex me, I just look the man. They just talk so many things yesterday. I say, what's wrong with this man now? I'm going to hear me here. Or 1 million or 2 million naira or 1 billion, how much they don't give you, say make a come talk. So you think that if you come to talk it in Abia State, all the whole Abia people, the head of where Nnamdi Kanu comes from, that is where people fear, they will be afraid of you because of you say you arrest. What of those people where they inside your cell? It's not arrest, you beat them. Come on, my brother, forget this rubbish now. This thing, you don't pass this level way they do. I beg, no try this nonsense again. No come on live television or radio call the talk say you go arrest anybody where they respect our hero, that our heroes they make you anybody where no go work or where they do nonsense for road, say if that day is a free day, everybody is free to go to work, everybody is free to go to their activities. See, Oga, if you go to other places, other countries, if today is their heroes day remembrance, nobody, that will be a public holiday. Not only for Nigeria where now northern side, you go see Buhari go give public holiday for a purpose of so something in their own side. But only say if you don't reach for on our own side, una go dey fear Buhari, or una go dey fear the people where they on top. Those people, and they are not God. They are human beings like you people. They are just breathing. Small thing, just small wire. If you cut their wire, they don't go. They are off. They become a dead person. You know here now, four carry up. You know, right? Because of you CP, common CP. Nobody say we Angel Michael or even Gabriel or even the Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Just common city of human being where they carry small posts to for their state. They come open your dirty mouth, they talk nonsense. Say anybody way do nonsense anyhow that day. Say you go arrest them. Thunder fire your mama, fire your family. You are very crazy. At the vet, see, when they forget one-on-one, I will punch you. I will really punch you. Punch your grandma that now. Maybe you don't take alcohol.